Hey there, Bricksters and Lego friends. Yes, I've been doing several videos all at the same time, but that's all good. Now, I got some of these Lego movie figures here, like I did from the haul the other day, and you know my opinion on this Lego movie thing this year. So, anyway, I'm just going to put these guys together and see how they look like. And like I said, they're getting hard to feel for because this is the crayon guy. He's in a bag within a bag. So, I don't know. I just got mixed feelings about everything. The little scribble tile piece is, well, kind of cool, but kind of lazy looking, I guess you could say. Let's see what we got going on here. Put her torso on, or his torso on backwards. Put that there, and put that head on him. And, yep. And there he is. There's the crayon guy. Now the crayon guy is pretty cool. I gotta say, it is pretty cool. Put some light onto that so you can see it. So the crayon guy is pretty neat in himself. Now once again, we have another tall minifigure, and it is the crayon dude. Yeah, the crayon dude. I mean, it's cool. It looks like a Crayola crayon. You know, maybe that's what they were going for. The little drawing on the 2x2 tile. Pretty much the right color and size for the tip. And the size of the actual drawing on that is almost close to the tip of the crayon top. So that's pretty cool. And if you like crayons, there you go. Try to find them. They're easy to find in the thing because they're just basically a long cylinder with a conical end on it. So you should be able to find him or the giraffe relatively easy, and go from there because there is absolutely no dot codes on these ones whatsoever. Once again, now let's load up another character here. And there's no dot codes on any of these anymore, so you don't know what you're getting. Very, very disappointed. Because everyone looked for dot codes. Alright. So, let's see. We'll put this girl here in her dress. Now this is interesting because there is a microphone for her and the cassette tape, which is so outdated, but I mean that's like back in the 80s and 90s. And the stand, which is white, which is great. We can use that in the snow things. And we got a spare microphone. Where have you ever got spare parts like that in minifigures? First time ever for me. So anyway, there she is. She's pretty cool. I like that cassette thing. I like the cassette, the printed tile. You know, that's really neat. And it's nice that they did it on a clear one instead of a colored one, because it actually looks more real than on a colored tile, white tile or brown tile or black tile or something like that. It actually looks better on clear. So that's that girl right there. The girl with the tutu and the microphone, disco girl. And she's pretty cool too. I mean, you know, the cassette and everything there and all the printing on it. Everything is printed on it. There's no stickers. It's great. Once again, dual molded colored legs. And printing on them as well. So you get the spare microphone, of course, and nice cool pink color hair for her, and a winky face. So that's kind of cool to have a winky face. And the little tutu is kind of neat too, because that's printed on the top as well. But the cassette is really, really sweet, reminiscent of the 70s, 80s, 90s. Before see, and then last but not least, we have, and there's the base to the other fella. Everybody's head's running away there. We have Mr. Giraffe Guy, and let's put him together there. Yep, purrs. Now we can have a happy face or just a smile. Well, let's put on the happy face on him. And put his suit on. He's really tall there. And once again, this guy's got two green carrot tops with him. So I don't know if these are supposed to be actually there or extra or what. Let's just see what they got going on. There is the giraffe. There is the giraffe. Is that Jeffrey from Toys R Us? Could be. Maybe we can pay homage to Toys R Us and call him Jeffrey. I think we will. I think we'll put this next to our little Toys R Us shop that we haven't built yet. That's in the plans to be done in the amusement park. So we'll put him there. Yeah, I think that'd be kind of cool. But it's a lovely printed minifigure. I think it's great. It's one of the taller ones. Dual molded legs and the printing on the sides. That's really, really cool. And of course you get the extra leafy thing there for Jeffrey. Oh my god, and they got these instructions taped up too. That is so bizarre. Yeah. They're obviously coming from a different plant than they used to be, so I don't know what's going on. And yeah, they only show him with one, so you get a spear plant top there in this one as well. So there's spare parts in these, so that can throw you off as well. Yeah, I don't know. I wanted to get the Wizard of Oz set. The 4 characters from the Wizard of Oz. The 4 characters from the Wizard of Oz down there, because that's really what I wanted. And I ended up getting 3 characters that were not. Like I said, it's going to be a hit and miss with this series. I'm just going to try to get them off Bricklink or something after everyone has sort of bought them and is reselling them, because they'll, there's going to be so many of them, and there's just no value to them, and they'll be hopefully cheaper than what they're selling at the store for $4.99 a piece. So not interested in buying any more of them unless when you get them like Bricklink or secondhand. So let's just build this mini master building metal beard. It's polybag 30528. Okay, so we're going to build that. There's not much to it. We'll speed this up. So here's the mini master building metal beard set. And that was my dog squeaking his toy. But here is a close-up of it. Quite a bit different than the metal beard sea cow, but it is pretty cool all in the same. And I like that part that his face sits on, minifigure's face. And he's got the wheel on the bottom. It's sort of steampunkish, so yeah, it's all around pretty cool. So I'll put that down in the amusement park in the pirate section. It's pretty cool. It's the first metal beard I had, so I'll put him down in the pirate section of the amusement park. It's not bad for a small set, really. It's got the wheel on the bottom. Some really nice parts on it if you want it just for parts. Great for parts. Nice part right there, and some like exhaust fans there, or exhaust chutes there, and this part that the minifig head fits on is really cool too. So some gold parts in there, so that'll work well in the amusement park. In the pirate section, I think. So that's that one. And we got some extra parts left over from that, so we'll put them in the bag. And that was just a quick build. So that's that, and I hope you enjoyed that video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I will see you guys shortly. That's about it for me today. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe down below, and hit that notification bell so you'll know the next time we upload a video. Take care, and I will talk to you guys again in the next video very shortly.